So do you think I should tell the investors about how I found my cellar under the bed?
Go for it.
Okie dokie. Morning all. Well, I've been in real estate a number of years, and quite a few years ago, we won't say when, the years when beds were not as low on the floor as they are today. They were always higher off the floor, and people had eider-downs and bedspreads over their beds. So my agreement with the seller was that I would use a key and enter the property, and because it was pre-cell phone time, we couldn't phone first, and if there was no answer, I could use the key and enter. So this is how we normally did it, and off we went, and I'm showing this property. And where I was working, it was very rare for somebody to buy a property with the furniture. But even being a transit town, you didn't rent property furnished in those days. People didn't buy the furniture. You bought a home, it was very formal, one way, and that was the only way. I was showing the property, and this particular gentleman was from the UK. He asked me, do I think the seller would sell the furniture as well? The home presented beautifully. The seller had good taste. It was really special. My answer was, well, I don't know, but we could ask the seller for sure. And then the buyer turned around and said, well, what do you think he'd want for the furniture? I said, I really don't know. But what I do know is it's high quality furniture. For some reason, I was standing nearer the one bed, and I saw a movement out the corner of my eye under the bed. And I know there's no pets in this property, and I thought, oh, what is that? And out popped the seller's hand, and I realized there was somebody under the bed. I didn't know what to do now. I couldn't ignore this, because if the buyer saw this person moving under the bed, so I had to ask, who's under the bed? And the seller popped out, and his head popped out, and he just said, I've been sick, That was his reason. I've been sick. It transpired that he had been sick. He got such a fright when I entered the front door. He didn't know what to do with himself. He hid under the bed. I have never in all my life seen anything like that. I think I'm still going to see a lot more fun things in real estate. Happy investing.